These OXO Good Grips are really cool for frosting. First off, they come with 8 of these tips, so you've got different designs. You can make flowers and scrolls. You can use them for just plain writing. And then they screw on real easily. They're also very easy to clean, and the tops come off of these compressible silicone jars. That's simple. You can put a few spoons of frosting in there, and instead of having to grip a bag which starts to shift all over, you have a good solid foundation with your fingertips, and you just squeeze with your hand. It uses your whole hand strength instead of finger strength. Another way to do it is to stick it through some fingers and to draw with like a pencil. And sometimes I'll even use the other hand, depending on how much hand strength or arm strength you have. And they're real easy to clean. These have had orange frosting in them, and you can't barely tell. There's no staining. So, yeah, I think these are a great alternative to the disposable bags or improvised methods, and you get great results. Hope this helps.